Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to use the camera timer on the iPhone 17 series or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. So let's get started. In order to activate the timer, what you need to do is to simply launch the camera app. It will either be on the main camera or on the selfie camera. It doesn't really matter. What you want to do is to activate the timer is to tap on the 6 dot button at the top right corner and a menu will pop up. Here you will see a timer option. Now there is another method. You just need to tap on the photos and a menu will pop up similar to the earlier one, and here you can set the timer. By default the timer is off. So you can either enable a 3 second, a 5 second or a 10 second timer. So depending upon what you want, let's say for instance you use a 5 second timer. So once you select that, whenever you press the shutter button, it's going to count. You can see the counter here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it takes the photos. Same goes for the selfie camera as well. Just tap on the shutter button. It's going to give you the countdown and then it's going to take the picture. So that is basically how to use the camera timer on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.